Yo guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be making a slime video, and major shout out to one of my best friends ever. Her name, I'm afraid, but I know that you're going to be watching this, and I know that you know who I am and who you are. So thank you for supporting me, and yeah, let's get to this. So today I'm going to be making edible slimes that are like supposed to be super awesome and fun. So first ingredient, marshmallows, and large marshmallows in a bowl like that. So I have 6 large marshmallows, and if you don't have any marshmallows like these, then just put I would say 2 cups of the miniature marshmallows. Hey Connor! And then the recipe said to put them for 30 seconds in the microwave. So, and comment down below if you have ever made slime, well, edible slime. Okay. And while we're waiting for that to go, just walk around the kitchen. Then we are going to put on hazelnut spread, which, by the way, it is practically Nutella. So if you don't know what it is, it's really delicious and it smells amazing. But if you don't like chocolate, then I wouldn't make it. So let's and that. Then, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It overflowed. I knew it would overflow. Okay, well, guys, it kind of overflowed. Now, let's get this out. And then, oh, that's so perfect. Oh my god. This is like so oddly satisfying. And hey guys, if you guys are sensitive to smell of like marshmallows or anything, then I would suggest not making this. This is like perfect for slime. Like, look at that. Okay guys. Well, and then I am going to put you guys right here. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. If you can't, I won't be editing it. Well, if you guys can't see me. So this is brand new hazelnut spread. Yuck, yuck. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. Okay. If you want to do it with a spoon. Because no matter how satisfying this is, I would just not suggest doing this at home. So then I'm just going to dump some of that in. Come on. Come on. There we go. Then that is super plenty. It's a YouTube video and we have another one anyway. Okay. And then I'm just mixing this around like the YouTube video said. And I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video, but since I have to use both hands to do this, I'm just going to kind of wait. Okay. This needs a little more melting, I would say, guys. So let's bring it back over to the melting table. This is what it looks like so far. It looks kind of like a cow crop. Back in melting, and I would say 5 seconds. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boop. Okay. That's better. Yeah, because the hazelnut spread. We'll spread it and everything. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, the camera kind of tilts. I hope you guys understand what I'm going through to do this, like about the camera, filming and stuff. Because I'm sorry, but I don't have a filmer right now. And my brother's a little bit crazy at filming. So yeah. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna like mix it. Oh my god. That's so perfect. Oh my god. Guys, look at this. And it's so perfect. It's like warm and fun to play with. Oh my gosh, this was not a fail. Let's try the taste test now. Squish test on it. Now taste test. It's good. I like playing with it more though. And that's just me. If you guys don't like playing with it and eating it more, then yeah, you totally can do that. And what was the other one? Oh yeah, then we have to try another one. Okay. Let's just melt this a little more. I just feel like if you melt it a little more, and your hands actually don't get that messy after this. It's incredible. Okay, I just want to do it for 8 seconds. As you can see, let's start. And guys, I know I'm doing this without a parental help, but if you guys are, make sure that you always have a parent in each or a guardian. I don't want any of my best friends, aka followers, or any one of you guys to ever get hurt by any experiments. Okay, and please don't be shy to comment. Just don't comment anything mean, rude, or just not nice. So I'm just going to keep playing with this. It's so much fun to play with. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's not like the perfect slime, but this is a no glue ingredient slime, so it's perfect. And it's fun to play with. It's fun to smack. Ready? Boom! And it's like so nice. So guys, this is a complete and totally awesome success. And if you guys totally want to, make sure that you go and you try this out at home. And if you do, please comment down below pictures of you and your slime. So that's going in this bowl. Okay, there we go. Look at it. There we go. It looks kind of like a